Keep your ears in, man. Y'all ain't seen me shoot this one yet, man. I think we finna go ahead and load him up. He's FCK, man. I'm gonna shoot half of it, and I'm gonna let bro shoot it. Finna see what this thing talking about. This the second part of my home defense right here. You know, we got the Glock 19, then we got the other Glock 19 with the kit. All right. Clear. Oh shit. Hey. Hey, real life though. Hey, oh shit, let me try again.
Oh shit, let me try again.
Hold on, hey, hold on, time out. I fucked up.
No cap.
Go get right to What's good, Noisy Central, man? We back with another range video. It's your boy Don with Glock. I got my brother, man, FDEEli. You feel me, Tan, man? Eli with me. We got another range day on the way for y'all. Got some good stuff we're gonna be shooting. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna say too much. We'll let y'all know about them as we shooting them, but y'all see what's going on, man. Got us a few rounds. We're gonna send something down there today. Get us some work in today, man. See what we can get done. See what kind of progress we making. I already got the target set up. Feel me? Yes, sir. Finna go ahead and get loaded up, man. Bro said he wanna shoot that 19X first.
Yeah. We got hollows.
I mean, you can run one just to make sure they still running smooth.
You feel me?
Run one clip. Gotta say them self-defense rounds though, man. Hey, y'all don't be at the range blowing all y'all self-defense rounds.
You feel me?
You gotta make sure you got them. We need maximum stopping potential. I ain't gonna say maximum stopping power because it's still 9 mil, but we need maximum stopping potential. Don't waste all your self-defense ammo.
Feel me?
Keep them hollows.
Yes,
Shoot them ball heads.
Next, ready to go. Which one we shooting at first?
We're going paper first.
Alright, paper first.
Yeah. Keep your ears in, man. Make sure you got your ears. He said, Woo.
Oh shit.
Keep that ear protection on, man. Let's get
Oh shit.
You good?
Huh?
Good?
Yeah, you go finish the race.
How many left in there?
Sir. Down with Glocks.
Ooh, he was in his ass. Air well. Stinking his ass.
Oh, man. Yeah, nothing in the head.
Oh, okay. I thought you hollowed.
Nah, it was mixed up.
Oh.
My bad.
You good?
Yes, sir. How it feel?
No, I like this bitch. Love this bitch.
It's I love this bitch.
It was my last one.
Oh shit. Damn, chimp went off, man.
What? You went here, 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 here. I know all these mine.
Yeah.
These, and then this one.
Yeah.
And the rest of them shit.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't even expecting that one.
I be in this area. This I be aiming for this every time. When I start going out here, then I'm doing this. It's that trigger pull.
Okay.
Get it right. First clip. I'm gonna get it right.
Feel me. All right, where we going?
I'm gonna run a clip through my EDC.
Okay.
You wanna hit that bit too?
You can.
They all hollows, so I'm gonna just do like, I think it's 15 plus 1 in that bit, so I'm gonna do like 7. You could do the rest.
Okay. Get on this side again. Can I get the angle? Oh.
I don't know if I told y'all about this one since I upgraded them, but I'm gonna give y'all a rundown.
Yes, sir.
We got the SCT frame for the Gen 319. It's a polymer frame, you feel me? Got some good texturing on it. I got the mag weld for it too. Then we got the PSA dagger slide. I think it's an SW2 cut. We got the front serrations, back serrations. We got the Silly Wolf O. Optic red dot. You know what I'm saying? We got the JTT aim surplus compensated barrel. And then we got the TLR 7X on the front for the flashlight, man. You feel me? And then we got the we got the hollows in there.
Sir.
Keep one in the head. It's my everyday carry, man.
Yes. Let's get some rounds off.
I don't left you like 4, but it's still 1 in the head.
It's great. Beautiful gun. I love this gun. They're one of my favorites. Light like that, I don't know how to.
Yeah, I was eating them up.
Yeah.
I went here. I think one of these was mine. I think this was one of yours from the last one. One of these mine.
Yeah, it's kind of different for me.
I think I dropped these or one of these. But this was. Damn, we should have brought that marker.
Yeah.
We gonna cut this off.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna cut this off. So everything underneath D zone is ACD. It's a D right here. You can feel it.
Mm-hmm. I see it.
Everything underneath that, fuck that. You see these 4 shots up here?
Mm-hmm.
All right, them there. We aiming above that. All right, now we're gonna get bro. He gonna run a mag through the Taurus. That's his EDC. He carry that, you know what I'm saying, to keep him having to give up one of his good guns. So he ain't gotta give up one of his good guns in case he has to defend himself. Yeah, we're going.
Not the 19X.
Yeah, we ain't trying to do that. We're gonna run one through there. See what he talking about, man.
Abbreviation for my brother twin. Down with Brock.
Oh yeah, I make sure I tap in with Twin YouTube too, man. He got a YouTube too. I'm gonna put his YouTube on the screen too. Y'all tap in.
Oh shit.
Hey. Hey, real life though. Hey, oh shit, let me try again.
Oh shit, let me try again.
Hold on, time out. I fucked up.
No cap.
Go get right to I'm finna run a little mag out of this green monster, man. The green Goblin. Got the Glock 17 round mag for it. I'm finna load them up real quick. I noticed that when I put a lot of stress on my springs, sometimes I have feeding problems. So I'm probably start rocking with one less in the actual magazine, just keep one in the head to make it whatever the mag will hold. Okay. Just to keep from having problems. Yeah, we finna run this thing, man.
How many did we put in? So you got that green monster.
You know what I'm saying? Green mag on it. Iron sights. I'm gonna get an optic soon. I gotta figure out these irons. So we just gonna work on that.
Let me get the other side. Shit. I seen when all these three hit.
Yeah, that bit. Started dropping.
Mm-hmm.
Dropped another one. Dropped another one. Most of them went up there. Couple of them down there. Pulled this one. Missed one. I think I'm figuring out these iron sights though. I think I'm figuring them bitches out.
Yeah.
Alright, man, next up we got bro. He gonna run his dagger. All black dagger.
I'm gonna do, how many things I did 20, so I'll do 10 and 10. So grab the barrel, plate to put the scope on there. You know what I'm saying? It's really a great, good gun.
Let me see. Let me show them. 9 out of 10. Hey, let me say this, bro. It's a lot of PSA haters on YouTube. I ain't had not one problem with PSA.
Man, come on.
None of their products. Bro got 2 guns from them. He ain't had not a single problem out of neither one of them.
Not a problem.
Both of them got at least 100 rounds through them. They ain't jammed. Only problem we had was magazine related.
Yeah.
So, PSA haters, I don't know what y'all on. Them boys doing their job.
No cap.
Yeah, it's me. No cap.
No cap. It was cheap.
What?
Cheap.
PSA.
AR's a PSA.
PSA. Yeah, they ain't did us no wrong.
No cap. Yeah, I'm motherfucking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
Yeah, y'all ain't seen me shoot this one yet, man. I think we finna go ahead and load him up. He's MCK, man. I'm gonna shoot half of this 30 round, and I'm gonna let bro shoot it. We can see what this thing talking about. This the second part of my home defense right here. You know, we got the Glock 19, then we got the other Glock 19 with the kit.
He finna get right. Huh? 2. Okay, good. Damn.
See what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. Yep. Ah. Yep. Bring it down a little bit. You see where they hit?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let me see. Yes, sir. What you think, son?
Wow, I gotta get me one for sure. I'm gonna get me one. I gotta get one because I like how like it don't got that much kick when you shoot. It's like right here.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Motherfucker hard. Come
It's
on,
not
look at
too much of it.
twin. I had 4 headshots. Look at his ass now. Oh. Oh. God, what it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He added 6 to that bitch.
Yeah, we gotta.
Damn.
Oh.
Yeah, we shooting at that tater. We going for the tater. We trying to close casket something.
Yeah.
We on. Rest of the time, we going straight face shots. Now we locked in. Fuck it. Number headshot. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, man. We really just spent them first couple clips. We was warming up. You know what I'm saying? We ain't shot in like a week or so. So we changed out the targets after them first few clips so we could lock in. But now we going straight. You know what I'm saying? We trying to get everything at least A zone or head type shit. So, you know what I'm saying? We locking in now. That's 1 clip in. We 1 clip in right now. We finna really just run through this last box of 9mm for real so we can get to this ARP for y'all. And then we'll show y'all the progress. Y'all know what's going on.
I'm gonna let this sing for a little bit. Green Goblin.
I think I got 16 in there.
16. Let's go. Clear. Clear. It's crazy work.
These bitches gonna run, boy.
These shots actually look amazing.
We getting there.
No cap.
We getting there. Everything supposed to be here, here.
That's what it's looking like.
That's about right. Got the EDC, man. Bring him back out right here.
Yes, sir. Clear. Clear. Flaked it that way. No cap. Yeah. Everything else smooth turkey though.
Yeah, you're right where I want him to be at.
Feel me? Yes, sir.
Recording?
Yep. You can't play with that thing.
Trying to be sweet.
Yeah, can't play with that thing.
He made space for this bitch.
Oh God.
Hey, boy. Hold on, where we at with it though?
Safety, safety.
No, nah.
Oh,
There we go.
let's go. Clear.
You can see where they at.
Yeah.
Put
Damn.
one up there.
Happened in that. I just want to see what the green tips look like on the low.
By the way, left foot first.
Huh?
Left foot first. Alright, man. Wrapping up another range day.
Knock it out, boom.
Feel me? Got the guys with me. Yeah, we hit everything but the bottom, man. Let me go show. Hey, my fault, man. I kind of played. I messed up the I messed up the outro, man. That bit was in slow mo. My bad. But shit, yo, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Shit. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. Comment here to the end if you stayed all the way to the end of the video, bro. If you're a real noisy man, noisy woman, noisy central member, you gonna handle that business, bro. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, Noisy Gang. Look at bro. He don't even know what's going on.
Front man, damn.
I fried us both. I fucked up the outro video. That bit was in slow mo. I had to redo that bit.
Damn.
Yeah, man. But shit, yeah, we turned up on that, man. Y'all gonna see what's going on.
Y'all already know what's going on.
Yeah, man. We going, man. Appreciate y'all, Noisy Gang.
Don't care.